I wonder why I'd go to bed tonight. I drank some wine, still I feel cold inside. You left me by surprise, polite and even nice. You told me that your love for me was gone, and I never heard you say the reason why. I closed my eyes and realized goodbye. You left me all alone, still waiting for the phone to ring and give the answer to my pain. Did you ever let me love you so? When you decided to leave so long ago. The more I love, the more I hurt. It's so absurd, I still want you. Yes, I do. To leave so long ago. The more I love, the more I hurt. It's so absurd, I still want you. Yes, I do. Now I try to get on with my life. It's harder than I thought, but I'll survive. Say that time can heal, but all I feel is real. I can't imagine it will fade.